Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the crime scene cleaning challenge. While Charlie didn't read the memo and decided to clean the crime scene herself, I'm going to tell you what we are going to do. We are going to look at two main things: the water distribution of the Dreame L50 Ultra AE and of course the big stain removal test. Charlie and I of course didn't commit a real crime, but we put some dried ketchup and strawberry jelly on a white surface to see how well the Dreame L50 Ultra AE handles big stains. But first, a quick tip for those with dark shiny floors. If you use the highest water setting, you're likely going to see streaks. The Dreame uses a lot of water and especially on the highest wetness level. As you can see on the black vinyl, it leaves a lot of water behind. However, if you switch it to the lowest water distribution setting, level 1, it uses a lot less water and the streaks practically disappear. So if you have dark or shiny floors, it is definitely something to keep in mind. The difference between the highest and the lowest setting is night and day. But even on the lowest setting, it still uses more water than some other models I've tested. A downside of less water usage is that it has an effect on the stain removal capabilities. But now let's talk about the stain removal capabilities. I dropped some ketchup and strawberry jelly on the floor and let it dry for more than an hour. I set the robot to do 3 passes on the highest wetness level. One thing you'll notice is that it uses a lot of water here, making the floor too wet and slippery. But the results speak for themselves. After those 3 passes, the stain is completely gone. But because of the extreme high water output, I performed a second run. Now I only use dried ketchup and set the wetness in the middle, level 16, and it still managed to completely scrub the stain away. On level 16, it still uses quite a lot of water, but a lot less than on the highest level. I really thought it would have performed worse than it actually did. I wasn't blown away by the mopping performance on the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum 5 for instance, but because of the higher water distribution, it removed all the stains. I don't know if Dreame shared how much Newton of downward pressure this unit performs, but for dried ketchup stains, this unit does the job quite well. If you look at the Moppads afterward, you can see that they clearly picked up a lot of dirt. The cleaning station does a decent job of washing them. As you can see, the water in the dirty water tank is really dirty. It washes the Moppads with water up to 100 degrees Celsius, before and after mopping. But keep in mind that after the Dreame washes its Moppads and start cleaning, the Moppads feel cold to the touch. So it doesn't use hot water mopping. It only uses the hot water for cleaning the Moppad. But I noticed something important that is worth noting. The mop fibers tend to get stiff and hard when they only go through the station's cleaning cycle. If you compare them to the Moppads that come straight out of a real washing machine, the machine-washed ones are much softer and perform better. So my advice, to keep your L50 Pro Ultra AE performing at its best, toss the Moppads in the washing machine occasionally. It will make a world of difference. It mops better with freshly washed Moppads, so when you think the mopping performance is getting worse, drop the Moppads in the washing machine. So what do you think? Does the Dreame L50 Ultra AE pass the mopping performance test? In my opinion, it does. But it's important to know that this device mops fairly wet. If you like these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. I got the Dreame L10S Pro Gen 3 versus the Xiaomi S40 Pro coming up, and I'll be making a full review of the Dreame L50 Ultra AE. And also a huge shout out to Robostofzuigers.nl. If you live in the Netherlands or Belgium, check out their website. Their service is top notch and they have great deals. I wish you all a great day and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.